Collisions are a major part of most 2D games. In this video, you'll learn how to add collisions in pygame. This is the code from the previous videos, and this is the result when you run this. You can move a square around. Now, when you use collide, you have to use a variable, and inside which you have to put the rectangle that collides dot collide rect, and within brackets you have to write the rectangle to which it collides, and then you write if collide and then the stuff that happens after the collision. So first I will make a variable for the black color, which I will do in RGB, which black in RGB is 000. Now we make another rectangle using pygame.draw.rect, and within brackets I will put first the display, then I will put the color, but first I will import random so that I can randomly generate the position of the new square, and then I will call it rect2x is equal to random.random from 0 to 600. Why 600? Because that is the width of the display. Anything outside it won't be displayed. And then rect2y, which is random.random from 0 to 500. Okay, so now we write the color, which is black. Then within brackets we will write the x position, which is rect2x. Then we'll write the y position, which is rect2y. Then the size, which will be size x, the same as the previous rectangle, and size y. Now we'll have to make a variable of collide, but for that we have to first name these two rectangles so that we can use them. So I will call the first one rect and the second one rect2. And now we can make the collide variable. So I will say collide is equal to rect dot collide rect, the rectangle which collides dot collide rect, and then within brackets the rectangle to which it collides. Now if you think about it, does it matter? If A collides with B, it is the same as B collides with A. So don't worry about this too much. You can write any one of the two rectangles first and then the other one. What we will do after colliding is, if collide, then we will do something very simple. We will print collided. And now let's run this. As you can see, we have the squares, and if I move the first square around, the green one, and once it will collide, as you can see, we see collided printed. It is working, but it is printing it so many times. It just keeps printing it because it's in a while loop. To avoid it, I will quit pygame using pygame.quit, and afterwards I will quit the code too using quit. And now if I run this, as you can see, the square is moving, and boom, it's collided and it prints only once. So guys, it is very important to first discover what the problem is and then solve it. So this was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.